Chicken breast is not difficult to make, especially if it's done right. Let me know in the comment section if you clean your meat. I wash my meat with vinegar and lime to remove impurities, blood, and that meaty smell. Some people don't like chicken breast because it's normally dry after cooking. Try marinating your meat with some green seasoning. I make my green seasoning with some garlic, scallion, parsley, and olive oil. Slice your breast butterfly style in half. Season with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Add the green seasoning and marinate for at least 15 minutes. The longer the better, by the way. We're using a heavy cast iron pot. Grill on both sides for 4 minutes. At the end of 4-minute mark, add some thyme and a few cubes of butter. Give the chicken breast a bath with all that melted butter and juice. Remove it from the pan and pour the juice onto it and allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes. Give this video a like to harass the YouTube fairies.